Imagine yourself at a grand dinner party in the 1920s. Crystal glasses clinking, jazz melodies floating through the air, and every detail on the table carefully arranged to impress. And right there, adding that final touch of elegance, the perfectly folded napkin. Hello my friends and fellow Apollonians, welcome back to Apollo's Diner. I'm your host Apollo Jupiter, and today let's bring a bit of that timeless sophistication to your table with 3 elegant and easy napkin folds. The Rosebud, the standing fan, and the bird of paradise. These folds are simple yet striking, perfect for recreating that Gatsby-era charm at home or impressing guests at your next dinner party. So grab your finest cloth napkins, maybe a hot iron if you're feeling extra fancy, and let's fold our way to a stunning table setting. Welcome to Apollo's Diner. Let's get started. Let's start with something delicate yet striking. The Rosebud. The Rosebud, but don't worry, you don't need a green thumb to make it bloom. Just a napkin and maybe a little patience. This elegant fold adds a soft, refined touch to any place setting, and it works best with a napkin that has a bit of structure. A little starch or a quick press with an iron can make all the difference. Lay the napkin face down in front of you. Fold it in half, diagonally, to create a triangle. Position the napkin so that the open end is pointing away from you. Take the far right corner and fold it up diagonally so that the point rests on top of the far corner. The edge should align with the center line. Repeat the same fold with the left corner, creating a diamond shape. Flip the napkin over, keeping the open end pointing away. Fold the bottom up about 3/4 of the way and press down firmly. Flip the napkin over again. Curl both sides up to meet in the middle and tuck one into the other. Stand it up and adjust the petals to form a neat, blooming rosebud. In the glamorous dining rooms of the 1920s, presentation was everything. A beautifully set table wasn't just a backdrop for the meal, it was a statement of refinement and status. The rosebud fold fits perfectly into the tradition, offering a simple yet graceful way to elevate any dinner setting. And there it is, a refined little bloom ready to take its place on your table. Doesn't it just look like it belongs at a grand Gatsby-era soiree? Now if you're looking for something that makes an instant statement, the standing fan is a true classic. It's simple, elegant, and perfect for adding a bit of height and drama to your table. If you've ever folded a paper fan as a kid, then you've been training for this moment your whole life. Lay the napkin face down in front of you. Fold it in half, keeping the open end towards you. Start folding the napkin forward and backward into an accordion from one narrow end. Leave about 2 to 3 inches of unfolded napkin at the top. This will support the standing fan. Fold the napkin in half with the accordion folds on the outside. Take the unfolded corners and fold them diagonally inward, tucking them under the accordion folds. Stand it up and fan it open. This fold mirror is one of the most iconic motifs of the Art Deco era. Fans were everywhere in 1920s design, from jewelry to grand hotel lobbies, symbolizing movement, luxury and modernity. So it's no surprise that this napkin fold, standing tall and elegant, captures that same spirit. It's the kind of detail that turns a simple dinner into an occasion. And just like that, a perfect standing fan. Simple, classic, and full of Art Deco charm. If this napkin had a personality, it would definitely demand champagne. And finally, for a fold that truly lives up to its name, the Bird of Paradise. This one is a bit more intricate, but trust me, it's worth it. It's dramatic, stylish, and sure to impress your guests. Lay the napkin face down in front of you. Fold it in half to create a rectangle. Fold it in quarters to make a smaller square. Turn it diagonally and fold it in half to create a triangle. Position the triangle so that the open tip is facing away from you. Take the right corner and fold it diagonally toward the center seam, creating a new tip pointing toward you. Repeat with the left corner, pressing both folds down firmly. Fold the two wings underneath to return to a clean triangle shape. Fold the triangle in half by bringing the center seam towards you and allowing the ends to fall. Now for the magic. While holding the base firmly, pull up the 4 feathers created by the napkin's corners. If you're feeling dramatic, you can even do a little ta-da moment. Totally optional, but highly recommended. In the golden age of fine dining, presentation was everything. Grand hotels and first-class restaurants took pride in elaborate table settings, making dining an experience rather than just a meal. The Bird of Paradise would have fit right in. Graceful, extravagant, and absolutely eye-catching. Now this one takes a bit of patience, but once you get the folds right, you'll have a show-stopping centerpiece for your table. This one looks almost like a folded sculpture, elegant, timeless, and absolutely worthy of a Roaring Twenties dinner party. And there you have it, my friends. 3 elegant vintage-inspired napkin folds to take your table setting to the next level. Whether you're planning a Gatsby-style dinner party or just want to add a little extra flair to your everyday dining, these folds are a simple way to bring timeless elegance to the table. Now tell me, which of these folds is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Or if you invented your own accidental napkin sculpture, tell me about that too. No judgment here. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more vintage-inspired recipes, crafts, and hosting tips. Also check out this timeless classic right here. As always, my friends and fellow Bolognians, thank you for spending time with me today. I wish you warmth, joy, and wonderful table decorations. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.